What's up, Blockheads? Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a pin lock in a pin lock capable lens. Joining me is my man Reese. What up? Alright, so recently got this Simpson Ghost Bandit helmet. If you guys are interested in the first look, be sure to go check out that video. But in this video, all we're going to be doing is installing a Pinlock fog resistant lens. I've had a lot of you guys ask me about these things, so I figured why not go ahead, show y'all what it is, install it, and all that stuff. So basically what a Pinlock lens is, it's a fog resistant insert, and what it does is it's just like this little thin piece of plastic, and it wraps around the inside of the lens, and it is held on by the posts like there and there. We're going to take this out of plastic whenever I'm ready to install it, and it traps air in between, basically causing it to not fog up. I'm going to go ahead and take this out, and we'll unpackage the pin lock, show you guys what it is, and go from there. If you guys are interested in scooping any of this up, I will drop links down in the description below, and if you guys have questions on any of it, be sure to post up in the comments as well. Alright, so when you do open it, obviously be sure not to put your fingerprints all over it. Make sure it's nice and clean. If you're installing this on a lens that you've previously used, then make sure you take a microfiber, clean out the inside really well. Then you're going to open up the pin lock. It's like a book. Alright, so they kind of walk you through it in those instructions there. Just going to show you guys how to do it as well. So if you notice here, there is a bead going all the way around. This is going to be the side that is against your lens. So you're going to take the bead side, put it against the lens like that, right? Now whenever you're installing it, this is going to bend. You're going to want to bend this visor outwards like that. Now they are plastic, right? They do bend, so you're going to have to bend that outwards while bending this inwards towards it. Now before we do that, there is a protective shield on it, but we're not going to remove that until it's installed, so leave that for now. That's just so you don't get your fingerprints, keep your grubby fingerprints off of it. Alright, so you can use your stomach or your body or whatever, kind of position that outwards. You're going to take that notch right there along with that notch, line those up just like that, and then line these up over here. Alright, see it just kind of like that, and then whenever you let it back inwards, the tension basically holds it and presses it to it. One of the things you want to check for whenever you do this is that it's not too high up, because there is a little ridge right here, right? And you don't want it getting pushed outwards by that ridge, otherwise it will still fog up. So like over here, it's pretty close to that ridge. So I'm gonna do it like this, press it downwards a little bit, just to make sure the connection is good all the way across. Connection is all good here. Good, good, good. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. It's a swan. Whack. All right, so your pin lock's installed. It's going to stop air from getting in between there, so you're gonna have basically like that insulated layer, and so that air isn't gonna change temperatures, and it's gonna cause like it not to fog up. So you will see fog probably on the outside of this whenever you're in certain temperatures. Here in Florida, after it rains, it gets real foggy because of the humidity, or whenever it's cold as well because we have humidity. So pin lock is something that is absolutely vital, like down here, unless you like looking through a foggy visor, which totally sucks. You may need to clean it every now and then. Make sure you're always using a microfiber for visors, and just lightly clean it up. Don't press down hard, don't scratch, but that's pretty much it. Easy stuff, guys, and it makes a massive, massive difference. Like I said, if y'all are interested in any of the products here, I will drop them in the description down below, links for all that. If you guys have any questions, be sure to post them up. Big thanks to Reese for helping me out.
Hey guys, you give me $5, I can do a reveal right now too. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that.
Give me the camera. All right. But yeah, like I said, it's an insane help. Whenever riding, I would highly recommend it. Reese is gonna go pick one up for his helmet. I've been recommending these things for like over a year, so they're awesome. Anyways, like I said, if you guys have any questions, post them up down below. Links and all that stuff below. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. If you guys aren't a patron, be sure to enter for your chance to win some cool stuff. More info on that at patreon.com/Blockhead Moto. I will drop that in the link below as well. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and I will catch y'all later. Deuces.
Deuces.